Hi, this is Amardeep with Silver Realty and Mortgage, and I like to talk about three important things with respect to the credit scores and credit report and loan approval. So, the first thing is about these, a lot of free services are available, which tell people about their credit score. Unfortunately, they give you only one score, and the reports which I'm talking about, like free credit report or credit karma, and a lot of the banks like Wells Fargo and Discover, I think every month they give you a score. There's a couple of issues with those. They use only one score, and the scores are way inflated. And when we actually pull the credit report, even though they are like some maybe using the TransUnion or credit FICO, but the reports, the credit score are not the correct numbers when we actually pull the credit report, which has like all the three bureaus, and those are the report which the lenders use for underwriting. The second concern people have, like, hey, I don't want like a hard hit when you're gonna pull a credit score or credit report. I'm gonna have a hard hit. So, which is fine. I don't think you or a consumer, borrower doesn't need to concern about it. If there is a credit pull, credit hit, that which is perfectly fine. Been doing it for last 20 years, and never underwriters have a concern. Oh, someone has like three credit pulls, and deny the loan. So even for sometime if there's like four mortgage companies or maybe a bank or lenders pull the scores, everyone's going to have the same credit scores because you're pulling for the same purpose for homes, so your scores will not go down. The credit scores, your scores work every day, every week. So if because you're pulling gas, using groceries, paying off credit cards or mortgage or car loans, so it's working day around. So even you have like a few score drops, because you may have few hits, if that's what you think, it will recover. Your score will come back. And the third thing which I like to talk about is pre-approval letters. Uh, Nowadays, we have much more sophisticated tools, which the underwritings, particular banks or the lenders are also use the same underwriting tools. So, in order for you, for a borrower to be 100% sure, please make sure to provide, your tax returns, to your tax return, W-2s, pay stubs, and the bank statements. If once you have all that information, we can put that information into the software, which the same software the banks use to underwriting the loan. But giving that information really helps to give you a 100% confidence to have that pre-approval letter. You don't want a pre-approval letter without considering all the documentation which I mentioned, and start looking for homes and making an offers, and you may end up having a issues later on, where your loan is not approved, and you waste all your time. If you have any family or friends looking for homes and then they need help for a loan pre-approval, just feel free to reach out to us. All right, thanks.